What's so special about this place is what happens in the evening. You turn the lights on, you have one of the waterfalls on, and the landscape comes alive with frogs. It is the most beautiful symphony of this forest that we have here up in Olinda. As you drive down to this driveway, you're completely disconnected. It's like reconnecting with the beauty of nature. Looks like a treehouse in amongst this wonderful natural amphitheatre of mountain ash. I discovered this property 25 years ago. I wanted high rainfall. I wanted the best soil in Australia. You could put a finger in, you could grow a whole hand. That's how fertile the soil is on this property. We have natural springs throughout the property, and we have this incredible view to the Yarra Valley. Each window, each room has a unique experience. It has the beauty that engages and connects you to nature. Like it's overdosed with beauty and energy of the land, and it's a great spot to disconnect, slow down, and re-energize for the next day. Our feature windows in our living space. A storm comes through, lightning out in the Yarra Valley is incredible. Sunrise, each sunrise is uniquely different. It sparkles on foliage, and how the fog rolls in some of those really cold, wintry mornings is the spirit. It has the soul of the landscape. We wanted to create a home here that was like a home. It had rawness, it had this most incredible bookshelf as you come into the space, designed by a good friend of mine, Brendan Stamp, and created meticulously. Hundreds of hours have gone into this, from blackwood off the property, mountain ash off the property as well. As you move through this property, you come to different spaces. We've got a great workshop, we've got another potential living quarters. My favourite hidden spot on the property is really my old design studio, which overlooked the whole valley, my billabongs. You had birds come and visit at the windows during meetings. It was such an inspirational spot to spend time in. There's all these hidden gems. There's other spaces to spend time in, to potentially have as accommodation. There's other spaces where you can have the most inspirational, creative location only an hour from Melbourne. Waking up here in the morning, especially having an outdoor shower as the sun comes up, it's my favourite thing in life, and it's going to be one of the things I'm going to really miss about this property, because those simple things are so missed in society today, and that's something I inspire every project we create around this country. The inspiration of the waterfalls for this property was really after I visited Frank Lloyd Wright's Falling Water in Pennsylvania, of how the architecture connected so beautifully with the landscape. And that's what's driven me throughout my career. But I had to create this landscape to inspire what could be achieved. What went into creating this was so much passion, energy. I still believe it is my most incredible work of art. Crafting, working with stone, meticulously placing stone to an attention to detail that is like next level. What inspired me about this land was the ability to showcase what could be possible with creating a sustainable landscape, and a sustainable Australian landscape. It's taken me on a journey from capturing stormwater off my driveway, creating all these wonderful billabongs. What's a billabong? A billabong is a body of water that fluctuates seasonally based on rainfall. And that vision, back in 2013, I took that over to London to meet Her Majesty, where we were the first Australians to ever win gold and best in show at the centenary year of the Chelsea Flower Show in London. I'm really proud of what we've created here. It is such an incredible space, environment, habitat where we've got 7 different species of frogs that come throughout the years. But it also gave me the inspiration for our new public garden at the Dandenong Ranges Botanic Gardens, where we've created the rebuild of our best in show Chelsea Australian garden there. I use this as my research laboratory. It's evolved. I place stone in ways to create waterfalling left, right, subtle, gentle, quite dramatic. It's been this most incredible canvas to work on. We have natural springs. We have tree ferns down the valley here that are hundreds and hundreds of years old. I believe we're the custodians, and I really urge the person that takes on this property is the custodian for future generations, because this is an opportunity of a lifetime. What I hope for the future of this property is someone can take it to the next level. With creativity, with sensitivity, with sustainability. It is a gem. It is the gem of the Dandenongs.